Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Mobile Application Development. In today's class, we are going to see a new topic called selecting a location provider. So we have already seen in the previous topic what are location-based services, and in this location-based services, we have two things. One is the location manager, which looks after all these location-based services, and we have location providers, where the technology which helps in getting the current location or getting the signals from global positioning system or global system for mobile GSM, various technologies. Okay. So for this, in this, how we are able to select based on what parameters we are going to select location providers, we are going to see in this particular today's topic. So for selecting the location provider, as we have already discussed, these location providers for our mobile device are of two types. One is based on the GPS technology. Another one is based on the GSM technology. So this GPS technology will be based on the global positioning system, which will be communicating with the satellites, and the GSM technology will be completely rely on the network of that particular. It can be a 4G, 5G or something else. So you can track your device or send your current location using GPS technology, and also you can track your device using GSM technology. Now, here are few parameters based on which you will be selecting whether you want to go for GPS or we want to go for GSM. Okay. So if we are using a GSM technology for tracking or getting the current location, the main disadvantage is its signal strength. We don't get a proper signal strength or signals at every part of the particular world, right? So even if you are on the city outskirts or the village outskirts or nearer to the village areas, there won't be a proper signal or connectivity, right? So most of the times it's a waste of time, or it's an risky job to rely on this particular GSM based technology. But coming to the GPS technology, as they are completely depending on the satellites, and they will be have their direct communication with them, we can our mobile device will be also integrated with the GPS chips, which will be used as a transmitting the data and also for receiving the data. So whatever you search in the Google Map, that will be transmitted and gather the required information using the GPS technology, and it will be projected onto the app again. So in this, again, we are considering few parameters like power consumption. So if you try to use GPS, okay, the power consumption is little bit higher compared to the regular usage of the mobile phone, even though as we are directly communicating with the satellite technology using global positioning system, obviously the power consumption of our mobile device is much more compared to if we use a GSM technology. But here we need a precise data, we need to completely rely on the GPS technology only. Next comes the accuracy. So if we go for accuracy, again GPS wins over here. So GPS global positioning system will be giving you an accurate data regarding the location or anything or any kind of information compared to the GSM. Okay. And not only that, it also has an ability to determine altitude. Altitude means height. You can also get the information related to the height or speed of the device, or it can be any kind of information which is very much accurate and precise. Okay. So based on these parameters, we will be voting for the GPS technology, which is integrated into a device. This can be a mobile device or any kind of device which is integrated to a machine or a vehicle or something like that. So selecting a location provider is much more advisable before using that technology. Okay.